Hi, this is a Modbus on-off type thermostat, 230 volt. Okay, so in this, most commonly asked question is how to set the device ID of the thermostat, how to give the baud rate, how to select the mode of communication, that is TCP/IP or RS485. So today we are going to learn that and we'll see how to do that. Firstly, to address this device, we need to power it off. So from this power button, we'll power it off. Then we'll press the fan key in the center. We'll press it long. This screen, this is called advanced setting. We see AL flashing in front of us. AL से हम लोग अपना एड्रेस सेट करेंगे फ्रॉम 1 to 247. Okay, we can set address at AL from 1 to 247. Next, to set the baud rate के लिए हम लोग को जाना पड़ेगा ऑप्शन AA में. तो टू गो टू AA मतलब टू गो टू नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन वी हैव टू प्रेस सेट. सो विल मूव अहेड. In AA you have two options, that one is 1 and other is 2. 1 पे we have 4800 and 2 पे we have 9600. So this device is 9600 enabled, तो हम लोग 9600 select करेंगे. Then next option is mode of communication, that is TCP/IP or RS485. 0 is TCP/IP and 1 is RS485. This is RS485 enabled, so we'll select RS485. To save the setting, I'll press power key again. Once I press power key, my settings are saved. Okay. Now moving ahead, when I am checking this device, I want to check this device. मुझे check करना है कि whether this is Modbus enabled or not, whether this communicates over Modbus or not, all functions are working or not. ठीक है, तो I'll use these two cables. Red one is positive and white one is negative. So there are different devices which we can connect to it, but the device I use is this. It is a USB to RS485 converter. It has two terminals, one is positive and one is negative. So I simply have to connect the positive and negative of my connector to the positive and negative of the thermostat. Once I connect these two, I'll take it over ModScan. ModScan is a testing software. Like ModScan, there are n number of softwares you can use. There is no restriction. Okay, once we have connected the terminals, what we'll do, we'll insert this into our system and we'll open ModScan, and mapping table will be provided you along with this thermostat, so you can give the addresses and get your device checked. Thank you.